The Ag Week weather outlook centering around some seasonal changes. One, we're now at the peak of hurricane season, and right on cue, the Atlantic Basin is getting active, and hurricanes this time of year can impact the upper Midwest, northern plains, even without a direct hit by a storm. The overall pattern, continued cool weather, even as August fades into September. It's a relatively cool northern plains, upper Midwest pattern, and damp to wet somewhere in there. It doesn't look like we'll have the big heavy soaking rains, but there's plenty of damp weather to talk about. Jet stream right along the U.S.-Canadian border right now. Warm weather down south, occasionally hot in spots. The coolest of the weather has retreated for the moment, but there are signs it may come back again by the end of the week, with some slight chance that a few areas of the northern plains by the end of the week might even see a smattering of scattered light frost. The jet stream definitely taking a dip through the area this weekend. Meanwhile, the Atlantic seaboard in the southeast is leaving itself open to any hurricanes that happen to be thinking of heading in that direction. The second week of September will also leave that open for potential storms, showing the cool weather retreating in the northern plains and then perhaps coming back sometime around mid-month for another possibility of southern Canada or northern plains light frost. The Hurricane Dorian may in fact produce some excessive rainfall in parts of the south this week. Showers will be around the northern plains, as I said, probably more damp than soaking wet, but it still looks like an overall cool wet pattern for the northern plains, upper Midwest, but the wettest weather in the country is expected to be down in the southeastern U.S. for the next couple of weeks, while the west coast and the southwest remains characteristically dry for this time of year.